one thing that, one keeps hearing about, whether it's a misconception or whatever, I mean, information that keeps floating, or not information, but at least people have that back in the mind, and you keep hearing people saying that Ayurveda is not really very healthy or right because it uses metals for treatment. Right? You have these elements in the treatment. You have this Swarna Bhasma and, the gold powder, whatever, right? In English, what you describe that. So how does those metals, obviously, if you go to look at it from the modern medicine or the Western medicine perspective, you say, oh, metal, that's, metal poisoning. So you're actually consuming metals. So how would you, what would you say to that, and how does Ayurveda do it?
So basically, in earlier times, we were using totally herbal.
Mm-hmm.
After 16th century, there came concept of Rasa Shastra, in which we use the metals, minerals present around us.
Right.
But there is a peculiar method of purifying them, and a method of preparing these bhasmas or the metal-based formulations, and they are very safe. There are studies. There are so many journals that have done acute and chronic toxicity studies on animals and even on humans, that they are very safe. But yes, if one will not take care in preparation of these medicines, they will not purify it correctly, or they won't use it as told in the text, then definitely there is going to be problem. And when an Ayurveda expert is giving these medicines, metal-based medicines to his or her patients, he definitely checks whether his liver functions or kidney function are not compromised. But if a layman will buy these medicines from the market and start using without the knowledge of, without supervision of a doctor, then nobody can save. Nobody can have word. They can have bad effects on these organs, definitely.
That's so true. I guess that applies. A very important point there, that you should not self-medicate. That applies to, of course, any and everything.